In 1 mile, turn right.
Vista, office, lodging, camping, and the lake to the left. Okay. The tent is up. I couldn't even imagine just taking pictures while I was doing it. It was just so much. Again, this is my neighbors. Everybody's here. 5-star Frank over there cooking something amazing. Oh, Leela and Karen for the Jones sisters. Cooking. And Jimmy Allen, the leader of Outdoor Soul, and a couple of other tents. It's a sweet tent space. I'm still getting mine together. Move intentionally so as not to get wet. I'm good though. No water came through. Yeah. I'm good. Little did I know that it would be the best bridge I needed to get from the inside of my tent to the outside of my tent without tracking too much water because it got serious last night. All right, I'm not in it. All right, Jimmy got soul. Jimmy got soul. Jimmy got outdoor soul. Woo!